Designing with Imperfection. Wabi-Sabi Furniture Ideas for Modern Homes. Hello dear friends. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. Today we will show you the collection of Wabi-Sabi Furniture Ideas for Modern Homes. In this feature, you'll explore timeless wood furniture ideas inspired by Wabi-Sabi, designs that not only enhance your home's atmosphere, but also invite a more mindful way of living. At Kuki Decor, we are passionate about bringing you creative wood furniture ideas, nature-inspired design tips, DIY projects, rustic textures, minimalist shapes, and eco-friendly furniture ideas that tell a story daily basis. This is your place for inspiration. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. Wabi-Sabi is a Japanese design philosophy that finds beauty in imperfection, impermanence, and the natural flow of life. Rooted in Zen Buddhism, it encourages a deep appreciation for simplicity, authenticity, and the passage of time. In furniture design, Wabi-Sabi embraces organic textures, raw materials, and the quiet charm of aging surfaces. Wabi-Sabi furniture celebrates the raw, real, and imperfect. In a world obsessed with flawless finishes and symmetrical design, this style values organic shapes, natural flaws, and aged surfaces, which feel more human and genuine. Wabi-Sabi wood furniture is not about flawless finishes or trendy shapes. It's about the subtle elegance of a live edge, the character of a knot in the grain, or the charm of a piece worn smooth by years of use. These furnishings bring a sense of calm and authenticity into the home, encouraging us to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the here and now. With its emphasis on natural materials, minimalism, and emotional resonance, Wabi-Sabi style creates spaces that feel deeply personal, effortlessly peaceful, and beautifully imperfect. People are drawn to the Wabi-Sabi furniture style because it offers something deeply comforting and authentic in a world that often values perfection and uniformity. Rooted in Japanese philosophy, Wabi-Sabi embraces imperfection, impermanence, and the natural beauty of things that age with time. Furniture in this style tends to feature raw materials like weathered wood, stone, clay, and linen, elements that feel grounded and real. Instead of polished surfaces and flawless finishes, Wabi-Sabi celebrates cracks, knots, uneven textures, and the quiet elegance of simplicity. This connection to nature and handcrafted design brings a calming, serene presence into the home. It allows people to feel more mindful and at peace in their living spaces. Beyond aesthetics, the Wabi-Sabi philosophy encourages a sustainable and intentional way of living, choosing quality over quantity, repairing instead of replacing, and appreciating the value of aging gracefully. Many find emotional comfort in this approach, as it mirrors life itself, imperfect, changing, and beautiful in its authenticity. That's why Wabi-Sabi furniture isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that resonates on a deeper level. In today's fast-paced, hyper-connected world, modern living often feels overwhelming, with constant demands for efficiency, productivity, and perfection. Amid this chaos, Wabi-Sabi furniture offers a much-needed antidote, a return to simplicity, authenticity, and tranquility. One of the greatest advantages of Wabi-Sabi furniture in modern living is its ability to create a calming environment that promotes mindfulness and inner peace. Unlike mainstream furniture that chases sleekness and symmetry, Wabi-Sabi celebrates irregularity, natural materials, and the quiet elegance of aging surfaces. The warmth of raw wood, the texture of hand-woven fibers, and the presence of visible grains or cracks offer not just visual interest, but emotional comfort. These imperfections are not flaws, they are symbols of life's natural cycles, reminding us to accept ourselves and our surroundings as they are. In an age where everything is designed for replacement, Wabi-Sabi furniture stands for durability and meaning. It encourages us to keep what has value, to repair rather than discard, and to cherish the marks that time leaves behind. This attitude supports sustainable living, another vital benefit for the modern world. Many Wabi-Sabi pieces are crafted from reclaimed wood or salvaged materials, making them eco-conscious choices that reduce environmental impact. By embracing what is already available and using it with intention, Wabi-Sabi design aligns beautifully with today's growing awareness of ecological responsibility. Beyond sustainability, this style also supports minimalism. Wabi-Sabi furniture favors quality over quantity. Each piece is chosen not just for function, but for how it contributes to a feeling of harmony in the space. This minimalist approach helps declutter both the home and the mind, offering a sanctuary from the sensory overload of modern life. In a home filled with Wabi-Sabi furniture, nothing is excessive, and everything has purpose and soul. The emotional connection that develops with these items, be it a weathered bench, a hand-carved stool, or a rustic dining table, adds a personal layer of value that mass-produced furniture often lacks. Moreover, the handcrafted nature of many Wabi-Sabi pieces honors traditional craftsmanship and the human touch, which are often lost in industrial design. These handmade elements bring a unique identity to each item, turning furniture into functional art. For people working from home or seeking a healthier lifestyle, such environments foster creativity, focus, and a sense of well-being. Ultimately, the advantage of Wabi-Sabi furniture in modern living lies in its ability to ground us. It shifts our focus from the fleeting to the timeless, from the polished to the meaningful. It encourages us to slow down, appreciate the imperfect, and live with intention. In doing so, it transforms our homes into more than just living spaces. They become places of balance, reflection, and quiet beauty. Wabi-Sabi furniture isn't just a design trend, it's a lifestyle philosophy that harmonizes perfectly with the needs and values of contemporary life. Wabi-Sabi furniture brings calm, character, and connection to nature into your home. It shifts focus from perfection to presence, helping create a peaceful sanctuary where every imperfection has meaning. Thank you for watching. So there you have it. In a world chasing perfection, Wabi-Sabi invites us to pause, embrace the beauty of the imperfect, and create a home that feels real, grounded, and truly yours. Let your space tell a story, flawed, natural, and unforgettable. If you found inspiration in these Wabi-Sabi furniture ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more soulful design tips from Kuki Decor. And if you're reading this on the blog, scroll down to explore more nature-inspired decor ideas that bring calm and character into your home.